What's up, infinite learners? Welcome back to another value-packed episode. Today, we're diving deep into the subject of wealth creation. You know, there's a lot of misconception out there about what it really takes to build sustainable wealth. Some think it's all about inheriting a fortune or winning the lottery. Others believe it's solely about working insane hours and sacrificing everything else in life. But the truth is, true wealth, the kind that lasts and compounds over time, is built through consistent habits and mindset shifts. It's not about getting lucky or grinding yourself into the ground. It's about making small, intentional changes day in and day out that put you on an upward trajectory. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful habits that can completely transform your relationship with money and put you on the path to real riches. And I'm not just talking about having a fat bank account, but true holistic wealth, financial abundance, plus the freedom, fulfillment, and peace of mind that comes with it. So grab that notebook, get ready to take some serious notes, and let's dive in. Habit number 1, live below your means. This one is absolutely foundational, yet so many people struggle with it. Living below your means is all about spending less than you earn and having a gap between your income and expenses. That gap is what allows you to save, invest, and build wealth over time. Now, I'm not saying you have to live like a broke college student and deprive yourself of all joys in life. Not at all. It's about being intentional with your spending, separating wants from needs, and making smart choices that allow you to live comfortably while still having a surplus to put toward wealth-building activities. It could mean downsizing your living situation, cooking more meals at home, or cutting back on frivolous purchases. Identify the things that don't truly add value to your life and reallocate that money toward your financial goals. Small tweaks can make a huge difference over months and years. Habit number 2, increase your income streams. While cutting expenses is important, you can only reduce your costs so much. To really accelerate your wealth journey, you need to look at amplifying your income as well. The wealthiest individuals don't just rely on a single paycheck from an employer. They diversify their income through multiple streams. So get creative. Look for ways to monetize your skills and talents through freelancing, consulting, or starting a side business. Invest time and money into education that will allow you to command higher pay. Or explore passive income opportunities like rental properties or online businesses. Even an extra $500 or $1,000 per month can compound massively when invested consistently over 10 to 20 years. Don't sleep on those extra income streams. They could be the key to your financial freedom. Habit number 3, prioritize productive asset allocation. Here's where a lot of people get tripped up. They make money, but then they mismanage it by spending frivolously or making poor investment decisions. If you want to build real, lasting wealth, you need to be smart about where you allocate your surplus income and assets. First, make sure you have a solid emergency fund, enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in case of job loss or unexpected costs. This provides a safety net and peace of mind. Next, focus on paying down any high-interest debt like credit cards, which can be a huge wealth vacuum if left unchecked. Then, the fun part, investing. Look into diverse productive assets that have the potential to generate returns and cash flow. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, or your own business ventures. Do your research, understand the risks, and construct a balanced portfolio aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. The key here is putting your money to work for you, rather than letting it sit idle or being consumed by liabilities and depreciating assets. Be an owner, not just a consumer. Habit number 4, continuously invest in yourself. While investing financially is crucial, one of the best investments you can make is in your own personal growth. Your greatest wealth-building asset is your ability to think, learn, adapt, and create value. Commit to being a perpetual student. Read voraciously, take courses, attend seminars and workshops, listen to podcasts. Expose yourself to new ideas and acquire valuable skills. Don't just do the bare minimum in your career. Become so skilled and indispensable that people can't help but compensate you well. Invest in your physical and mental health as well. Exercise, meditate, develop positive mindsets and habits. The sharper and more energized you are, the more effectively you can capitalize on opportunities. Your human capital is the driving force behind your financial capital. Never stop sharpening your mind and expanding your capabilities. Habit number 5, develop a wealth mindset. Last, but definitely not least, cultivating an abundance mindset is pivotal for any aspirant of true wealth. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our realities, including our financial circumstances. If you think scarcity, lack, and struggle, that's what you'll unconsciously create and attract. But if you can embrace abundance thinking that the belief that there is enough money, opportunity, and prosperity for everyone willing to create value for others, you'll be amazed at the doors that open up. Successful wealth builders see money as a positive tool for freedom and impacting the world, rather than an evil or source of anxiety. They operate from a mindset of abundance, generosity, and gratitude, and it reflects in their results. So start small, practice affirmations, visualization, and surrounding yourself with aspirational voices. Watch your thoughts and beliefs around money. Chip away at limiting beliefs and embrace a prosperity consciousness. Your mindset is arguably the most important factor of all. There you have it, Infinite Learners, 5 powerful habits that can truly transform your financial trajectory if you integrate them consistently. It won't be an overnight journey, but these are the keys to unlocking sustainable, holistic wealth and freedom. As always, let me know your thoughts and biggest takeaways in the comments below. What other wealth-building habits would you add to this list? I'm excited to continue this conversation and support you along your journey. Until next time, embrace abundance, take consistent action, and never stop learning and growing. The wealthiest life imaginable awaits those willing to uplevel their habits and mindsets. I'll see you in the next one.